Happy Friday, y'all. Hi, babies. What's up, Miss Spoiled? You so spoiled, you stink. Not really. You smell like chicken. All right, you gotta share. You have to share. I'm sorry, you have to share. She's gonna get him out of my lap. She's like, I don't have to share, woman. What are you doing, sweet pea? I gotta give Fudgy some. She's used to being hand-fed.
So well, you better buy more.
Come here, baby girl. Fudgy. Hey, stop, ma'am. There you go, Fudgy. Good girl. Hi, babies. Hens that normally eat out of your hand, make sure you encourage that because it's easier to handle your hens when they're not afraid of you. Right, babies? Let me get some more. Excuse me, ma'am. You be nice. Hi, baby. Come on. Baby. Oh, these girls. I'm going to have to start giving them more, I think.
Huh?
All right, I got to put this video down so I have two hands. Have a great weekend, everyone.